Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Honda CR-V 1.6 i-DTEC EX Auto 4WD, finished in crisp white with a refined black leather interior. From the side, it's clean and capable with 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and that panoramic glass roof that gives passengers a brighter, more open experience. Electric folding mirrors add daily ease for parking and tight streets. At the rear, it's finished with wraparound taillights and a powered tailgate for effortless loading. You'll also find rear sensors and a reverse camera, giving you full visibility and peace of mind in tight spots. Powered by a 1.6-liter i-DTEC diesel engine and automatic transmission with 4WD, this CR-V delivers smooth, confident performance in all weather. At the front, the CR-V stands out with a strong grille design, chrome detailing, and sharp headlights for a bold but practical look. Front parking sensors and a raised bonnet give it the confident stance of a true all-round SUV. With cruise control and lane assist, it's built to keep long journeys comfortable and safe. Inside, the cabin is well equipped and high on comfort. You get electric memory front seats with heating, panoramic glass roof above to keep the cabin airy and bright. It's practical, premium, and built for life on the move. In terms of technology, it features navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and a user-friendly infotainment system. In the back, there's excellent passenger space and comfort, perfect for families, weekend adventures, or day-to-day duties. In the boot, you'll find a generous and well-shaped load space, ideal for luggage, shopping, or anything in between, all made easier with the electric-powered tailgate. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161-399-1629. Quote registration RV67WKC to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.